You know, they did an experiment on the cat for major depression. They put a cat in a cage, and the cage was covered from all four sides. The cage was covered from all four sides, and they they electrocuted the walls of the cage. The cat tried to jump, and the cat hit the first wall, and she got electric shock. The cat got scared. The cat tried to jump from the right side, she got the electric shock again. From the left side, she got the electric shock again. From the behind, she got the electric shock again. Now cat tried it again and again and she kept getting electrical shocks. Now what happened? Eventually the cat realized that I cannot leave this cage. I cannot leave this room. The cat realized that she cannot leave this room. She sat in the middle. She sat in the middle. She sat in the middle, and she went down and she started laying down, and she was totally out of energy. Then they checked the brain of that cat, and they found out that the cat brain released the exact similar percentage or ratio of neurotransmitters that we see in the depression patient's brain. So they came to a conclusion that cat actually developed major depression. And the cause was when she realized that there is no way out. She developed depression. So we human beings develop depression when we think that there is no way out. See that, how beautiful it is? This research gave us such a wonderful concept about depression, major depression, that when human beings feel that we have no way out, we get depressed, clinically depressed. So if you ever see a depressed patient, what do you gotta do? You make sure that they find a way. That's what a mental health clinician does. They make sure that this patient finds a way. They show him, and the tragedy about depression is, by the way, guys, that even if you have a way, you cannot see it because you're depressed. So the clinician shows him the way. A coach, a clinician shows him the way, that yes, there is a way. So if you know somebody, you are a doctor and you see a patient who's depressed, talk him out of it. Make sure that they see it. Like one of the students, I heard a story of a Pakistani student of engineering who committed suicide a few years back because he couldn't find a job after graduation. He couldn't find a job, unfortunately. And I felt so bad when I heard this story. I said, I wish I had a chance to speak with this student. I would have told him that, why are you depressed? Because you can't find a job? You think there are no opportunities? No, there are. Let me show you the opportunities. You can do business. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this XYZ. You create your own life. It will be a little slower, but you will do it. There's always a way out. So that's what this animal research on cats did. It taught us a lesson that depression is caused when we think there is no way out. So what we gotta do is always try to find a way out, and there's always a way out. Remember that. Maybe more than one, always. We do tend not to see it. We lose hope.